Or you're looking for a way to make money with YouTube without being monetized. And if you're starting a brand new YouTube channel, or maybe you've already had a YouTube channel but you're still not monetized yet, well, guess what? You can still earn money from your YouTube channel before you actually meet the requirements of the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers that YouTube is currently requiring for all its channels in order to be approved into the partner program. And this is what I was doing even before I even started to get monetized by YouTube, is that I was already making money from my YouTube channel in various ways. And you can definitely do the same as well with your channel. So I'm going to share with you in this video how you can start to do this. And what you want to do is you want to keep continuing building up your YouTube channel, leverage these methods in order to earn some income. And then also when your channel has meet those requirements, you definitely want to make sure that you apply to be a part of the YouTube partner program, so that way you can create an additional income stream from YouTube AdSense from the videos that you create. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me share with you how to make money from your YouTube channel before being monetized. So what I want to share with you are 2 ways that you can actually make money with your YouTube channel before you get monetized. Now, there are plenty of ways you can make money with your YouTube channel, but I just want to share with you these 2 strategies because they work the best, and this is what I have used my YouTube channel primarily over the years, even before I was monetized. So one of the ways that you can leverage your YouTube channel to earn money is to use it solely as a traffic source. So what I mean by this is there's a variety of ways that you can just really just leverage the power of YouTube and get that traffic to go to various websites. So maybe you have a personal blog. Maybe you are in a professional type of service where maybe you might sell like life insurance or something like that, and you're trying to drive traffic to your website, and your website or your blog is pretty much where you're going to do a lot of your selling. Well, that's what you could definitely use YouTube for, right? Because YouTube is one of the biggest search engines in the world. It's also one of the most visited sites in the world. So you definitely want to make sure that you're leveraging the YouTube's traffic in order to send more traffic and eyeballs to whatever it is that you're selling. And this also goes for with having an online store. So you may see a lot of people who are, who have an Amazon store, or maybe they have a Shopify store, something like that. And what they do is like review products of things in their store, and they redirect that traffic to their online store. Now, an example where I shared this before is actually with a person named Neil Patel. Now, Neil Patel is really popular in the blogging niche. He has several blogs that have made him over 7 figures. And what he does with his YouTube channel is he makes short videos, anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes long, talking about a specific topic. And what he does is tell people to visit his blogs. And again, just like how I mentioned, he gets millions of monthly visitors to his blog, and he has made 7 figures with his blog by leveraging YouTube traffic to send to his blog. Now, he gets his traffic in a variety of ways, but again, one of the ways he leveraged that is through YouTube, and he has well over 700,000 subscribers on his channel. So that's one way that you can leverage YouTube in order to make money before you even get monetized. Now, the second way that I definitely want to talk about is, of course, affiliate marketing, guys. So with affiliate marketing, if you're not familiar with it, basically we can earn commissions by selling other people's products. That is the simplified version of what affiliate marketing is. So think about any brand name that's out there, they have an affiliate program attached. So think about Sephora, Nordstrom's, Walmart, Target, all of these different brands out there and companies all have affiliate programs where you can just join for free, and then you have access to any product on their website, and you can actually promote that on social media. You can promote that doing YouTube videos or anything like that. And the best way you can do this is by doing video reviews of products, just giving the features and the benefits of those products, and then telling people to go to your affiliate link that's in the that's under your description of your video, and they can click on that link. It will take them to Walmart where they can actually purchase the product. And if they purchase the product by going through your affiliate link, you can earn a commission. Now, for me, what I did, because I'm in the make money online niche, the internet marketing niche, what I did on my channel is that I would do video reviews of upcoming digital products in the online marketing space. And with these digital products, there's an opportunity to earn more commissions. Now, if you go to certain websites, the commissions may be a little bit small, but if you sell digital products and digital courses online, you have the opportunity to sometimes make 50% commissions or sometimes even more. And what type of websites that you can use, especially in the make money online niche, is websites like clickbank.com or warriorplus.com or even JVZoo. And then even with clickbank.com or even Digistore, on these websites, you can go there, you can find products in a variety of niches. So not just even the make money online niche, you can also find products in the health and fitness niche and love and relationships and things like that as well. And again, all you want to do is you just want to do short video reviews, letting people know what the product is, the benefits, the pros, the cons of the products. And then again, just tell people to click on your link, your affiliate link in the description so they can go to the website and purchase. That's what I made my first money with, even when I got started with affiliate marketing, and how I made my first $1,500 online with affiliate marketing is by doing video reviews of affiliate marketing products, internet marketing products that were about to be released, simply by uploading those videos to YouTube. That's what I did, and that's how I was able to make money. Even when I didn't have any money, I was still able to make money simply by doing that strategy. So with either one of these ways, you could definitely start to make money with your YouTube channel even before you get monetized. Or maybe you just want to create a channel and you have no intentions of getting monetized. That's perfectly fine, because in most of those cases, again, just how I mentioned in the first strategy, people are really leveraging YouTube as a traffic source to send more traffic to their online stores, their blogs, their websites, and things like that. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I shared with you how you can make money from your YouTube channel before you start to get monetized. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. And then also, if you want to know exactly how I am making money with affiliate marketing and how I'm leveraging YouTube in order to earn income every single month, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead, click on that link to learn my #1 way that I earn income online. And also, if you're brand new to this channel, make sure you leave a comment below letting me know where you're watching from in the world. Also, hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.